In March 1888, New York City was hit by the Great Blizzard, one of the most severe snowstorms in American history. Lasting from March 11 to 14, the storm dumped over 40 inches of snow, with winds reaching up to 60 miles per hour. The blizzard paralyzed the city, shutting down transportation and trapping thousands indoors. Streets became impassable, and emergency services struggled to respond. The storm claimed over 400 lives and left a lasting impact on urban planning and infrastructure. The aftermath prompted improvements in weather forecasting and city preparedness for future storms, changing how New Yorkers braved the winter elements forever.